Your child is born with more than 400 psychological traits that will emerge as they mature, and they have nothing to do with you. So the idea that you are going to engineer personalities and IQ and academic achievement skills and all these other things just isn't true. Your child is not a blank slate on which you get to write. Your child is a genetic mosaic of your extended family, which means this is a unique combination of the traits that run in your family line. You are a shepherd. You don't design the sheep. The engineering view makes you responsible for everything that goes right and everything that goes wrong. This is why parents come to us with such guilt, more guilt than we've ever seen in prior generations, because parents today believe that it's all about them and what they do. And if they don't get it right, or if their child has a disability, they've done something wrong, when in fact the opposite is true.
Okay, so ang ating pananaw naman ay quite different from the psychological point of view, because we know that if we train up a child in the way he should go, he will walk in the ways of the Lord when he's old. And also, of course, yung genetic and DNA mark ay makikita naman natin yan doon sa papaano yung doctrine of predestination, all things, na yung lakad ng mga tao ay nasa kamay ng Panginoon. Kahit na ano ang gawin natin, anong plano natin, at ano ang gusto nating mangyari sa ating buhay o sa buhay ng ating mga anak, ang plano ng Diyos pa rin ang siyang mananaig. So, combine po yan. Paano ang gagawin natin sa ating mga anak? We will train them up in the way of the scriptures. Hanggat kaya natin, hanggat sila ay under our care, under our rule, we will discipline them until such time na hindi na sila makikinig dahil meron na silang sariling buhay, may sariling pamilya. Pagka hindi pa rin ayon sa tama na pagpapalaki natin nangyari sa buhay nila, hindi na natin kasalanan yon. Kasalanan na yon ng tao na yon. At of course, yung consider din natin the sovereignty of God and the providence of God. That's how we think about the life of our children.